Hi, friends! Welcome to the Yummy Thanksgiving Feast. Let's learn Thanksgiving food names. Turkey, the main dish of Thanksgiving dinner. Mashed potatoes, soft and creamy. Gravy, warm and yummy. We pour it on turkey and mashed potatoes. Corn, sweet and crunchy. Pumpkin pie, a sweet Thanksgiving dessert. Cranberry sauce, tart and tasty. Sweet potatoes, delicious and sweet. Bread rolls, warm and fluffy. Apple pie, a yummy fall favorite. Let's play a game! Look at all these yummy Thanksgiving foods on the table. Let's see what's here. Pumpkin pie. Corn. Mashed potatoes. Gravy. Apple pie. Turkey. Bread rolls. Sweet potatoes. Cranberry sauce. Oh no! One of our Thanksgiving foods is missing. Can you guess which one? That's right! The pumpkin pie was missing. Yum! I'm so glad it's back. Uh-oh! Something's missing again. Look closely. What food is gone this time? That's right! The turkey was missing, the star of Thanksgiving dinner. Oh no! Something's missing again. Can you spot what food is gone this time? Yes! The sweet potatoes were missing. So warm, sweet, and delicious. Yay! You did amazing! We learned so many yummy Thanksgiving foods together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving!